Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka Paid Trader. What's going on? How are you doing today? It is Tuesday. Time for round two. It looks like the euro yen is, went up overnight. And I was hoping it would go up just a little bit more so that it would hit a particular level where I could add to my position. But it missed it by like 5 pips. I was like, damn. But because right now it is making a move to the downside. So let's get to the charts. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at the moment. Let's select these bad boys out of the way. So we are still rocking this euro yen. And our entry is just about down here. We have a 124.15 entry. So we are quite a bit away from that, which is fine. Because like I said, I've got soldiers laying in wait. You got to always have a, plan B, C, and D. So, but anyway, right out the gate, this started moving down, moving to the downside, but I don't think it's going to stay there. I think it's really trying to, boom, let's go. There you go. So I think it's definitely trying to, retest these areas up top, and I think that's what we'll see. So yes, I'm in this short, but never, I'm not really too worried about it. I've got my trade management, my rescue and recovery protocols, in action, ready to run this campaign. And I'll probably wind up actually making more money than if I'd have just took the straight trade. That's the great thing about money management. It's like, you get your math right, you get it right. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm looking at it to attempt to do what, 125.30. Give that a test. If not, if it continues south, I'm just saying, just bring it on home. Why not? So I would keep an eye on the 4-hour to see if it will attempt to roll over. Let's see how this candle closes here, and that will give us a better indication. If this candle doesn't close above, what's that I have? 124.61, I would anticipate going short. And my other short entry would have been 124.71, but missed it a little bit. I wouldn't mind if it moved up against me some more so I could get in, but the market's going to do what it's going to do. Count them pips till it's done. So that's the deal with the euro yen trade that we are currently in. Let's see what other trouble we could get into. Pound dollar. Let's see what's up with you. Okay. So pound. Oh, there we go. Making myself dizzy. Okay, so the pound. This is what we're working with. It's bumping up against this resistance area. It looks like it wants to go up. This is just like with yesterday, where I was like, if there's another currency pair to trade, go for it. But we did bag this short though. That was nice. We did bag this short. It was lovely actually. So let's keep an eye on the pound in relationship to the euro yen. I want to see if they got their correlations back. If the inverse, the outverse. I guess that's how you would say it. But anyway, I would probably look for this to go long. That's what it's looking like it's shaping up to be. I will look for some key levels such as this right here, what, 127.69, and that's kind of perfect because it bumps up right against one of my LOIs, so that would be an ideal profit target. All right, so Paid Trader over and out, and I gotta change this date. So peace. That's pre-market pip mapping for ya. Boom. There we go. Got it out.